10 Natural Remedies for Headaches That Really Work. Headaches are a common ailment that can range from mild to debilitating. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, tension, and even certain foods. While over-the-counter medication can be effective in treating headaches, many people are turning to natural remedies as a safer alternative. In this video, we will be discussing 10 natural remedies for headaches that have been proven to work. 1. Ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for headaches. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce pain and inflammation in the head and neck. You can consume ginger in the form of tea, supplements, or even raw ginger slices. 2. Peppermint. Peppermint has a cooling effect on the body and can help to reduce headaches caused by tension and stress. You can use peppermint oil for aromatherapy, or drink peppermint tea to alleviate symptoms. 3. Feverfew. Feverfew is a herb that has been traditionally used to treat migraines and tension headaches. It works by inhibiting the release of certain chemicals in the brain that can cause headaches. You can take feverfew supplements or make a tea with the dried herb. 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those that regulate muscle and nerve function. Magnesium deficiency is common and can cause headaches, fatigue and muscle cramps. You can supplement with magnesium or eat foods high in magnesium such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. 5. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese practice that involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body. It is believed to help relieve pain and tension, and can be effective in treating headaches. 6. Chiropractic care. Chiropractic care involves the manipulation of the spine to help alleviate pain and tension in the head and neck. Regular chiropractic care can help to prevent headaches from occurring in the first place. 7. Yoga. Yoga is a form of exercise that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It can help to reduce stress and tension, which can be a major cause of headaches. 8. Hydration. Dehydration can cause headaches, so it's important to drink enough water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day to stay hydrated. 9. Sleep. Lack of sleep can also cause headaches. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help prevent headaches. 10. Relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help to reduce stress and tension, which can be a major cause of headaches. These are just a few natural remedies for headaches that have been proven to work. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. If your headaches persist or worsen, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. As always, make sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new treatment or supplement